Got it immediately.
Or you can hear it already.
150s, 140s, 150s, which is good. It's normal.
Are you sure it's only one?
I don't know.
I dreamt last night it's twins. You said there's one here and then there's one here. You kind of pointed it in the different directions. It's like, it's twins. A vivid dream.
And that's your pulse. You hear that? I want to see if I can get it. Maybe we could hear. Maybe moving around a little bit.
That's alright, we got one here, right?
There we go. The baby just kicked.
The ant